Hi everyone, I'm going to review these Voilamart Auto Heavy Duty Jumper Cables, 1 gauge 20Ft 3000AMP. These cables have been a reliable part of my automotive toolkit for the past couple of years, and I can't wait to share with you my experience with these. Let's start off with these features. These jumper cables are built for great performance, featuring a heavy duty 1 gauge wire and a powerful 3000 amp capacity. The thicker the wire, the more power it can carry, ensuring your vehicle gets the boost it needs. The quality construction is impressive, with PVC insulation that resists heat, oil and acid. Plus, the all insulated handles over the clamps provide safety during use. One of the best aspects of these cables is their length. So they're 20 foot in length. They are tangle-free design, ensuring that you can easily reach the battery of any car, whether it's parked in front or behind you. The included zipper carry case you get with a handle makes storing and transportation a breeze. I've currently lost mine, so I can't show you what that looks like. These jumper cables are also both low temperature resistance, making them ideal for winter conditions. They perform reliably even in freezing temperatures, so you won't be left stranded in the cold. In terms of applications, these cables are versatile and suitable for 6 volt, 12 volt and 24 volt vehicles, including cars, vans, trucks, SUVs and even large agricultural and commercial vehicles. They work with all petrol and diesels engine up to 9,500cc. Now, speaking from my experience over the past couple of years, these cables have been a lifesaver, as I've mentioned on multiple occasions. All you have to do to work these is hook these jumper cables to your car battery, then hook the other end up to another vehicle's battery, start the car up and then start your car up, and then you're back on the road within minutes. Overall, I highly recommend these Voilamart Auto Heavy Duty cables, an absolute lifesaver. On too many occasions I've forgotten how many times they've actually saved me. They offer excellent performance, durability and versatility. Whether you're a regular driver or a professional, these cables are must have in your vehicle.